If you want to change icon theme on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, in that case we can use the theme app, which you should be able to find on your phone. It is called Theme Store app. So we're gonna go over here, we can skip that. Now over here we need to switch to themes, and unfortunately you cannot just download icon themes. You have to download the whole theme, and then you need to customize the theme if you want to, for example, use a different wallpaper. But let's say we're gonna try to find something that we may like. Let's say we're gonna go over here, and if you go to the preview, you might think, well, maybe you like these this style of icons and you wish to use them on your phone. So what you need to do is you need to apply this whole theme, and you need to use an OPPO account to be able to use these themes. And there we go. Icons have been changed. As you can see, now icons have a completely different style. So for now on, what you can do next is you can, for example, adjust the wallpaper. You can change the wallpaper to set it up, set up the one that you wish to use, and that is pretty much it. Of course, besides that, if you want to use one of the standard themes that we have available for icons, then if you go to the home screen, lock screen and style, we can swipe up from the bottom, and then over here we can go to icons. And now here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different icon themes that you can use as well. So we have the standard themes that you can use without using the theme app, or you can just, go for a custom theme and get it from the store. And that is pretty much it. In case you want to change icons theme from here, you just have to apply your changes. Remember about that. Leave a like and subscribe.